Hello everybody and welcome once again to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the NFT feature that will come to Landshare during this quarter. We cannot provide a firm date yet, as we are still working on the development. So we thank you for your patience in this regard, and don't worry, we will keep you updated through our channels as usual. Now with that out of the way, let's dive into the video. Keep in mind, however, that in order to understand our NFT feature, you should have a solid understanding of how the tokenized asset feature works. So if you still haven't or feel like refreshing your memory first, check the dedicated video about it and you will find it in the description below. As you know, Landshare's goal from day one has been to create a bridge between real estate and DeFi. Our tokenized asset feature is the key to achieve this goal, as it allows for the ownership of real estate assets directly on the blockchain. For this reason, we want to provide a strong incentive for landholders and crypto users to invest in real estate by boosting the value and utility of these tokenized assets. This is where our new real estate NFTs come into play. Landshare Real Estate NFTs are virtual models of real-world properties that are sold on Landshare. NFTs are distributed to all people who make an asset token purchase of at least $250, which is 5 asset tokens. Now, no matter the amount of asset tokens you have purchased prior to the 18th of January 2022, you will still receive the NFT in your wallet. But from that date onwards, the minimum will be set to 5 asset tokens. Remember that in order to purchase asset tokens, you need to sign up for our dashboard at our website, complete KYC procedures, and make your purchase using BUSD and LAND tokens. There's a handy link in our dashboard in the description down below. So what kind of benefits do these NFTs provide? These NFTs will become an extra yield generator. In addition to the rental income their real-world counterpart generates, users will now be able to stake their asset tokens in their NFTs to generate land yields. This will grant asset token holders a second level of rewards. For a quick walkthrough of this process, 1. The user buys asset tokens on Landshare. This means he will start receiving income in BUSD every month. 2. The user gets an NFT version of the property he co-owns. And 3. The user stakes his asset tokens previously purchased into the NFT to generate land. Since these NFTs will generate land rewards, they will have their own multipliers. The amount of land an NFT generates per asset token staked in it will depend on its multiplier. And here's where the fun part begins. Upgrading your NFTs. One of the primary objectives of the real estate NFT ecosystem is to upgrade your house with various renovations and visual/structural improvements. Each house upgrade will multiply your rewards by a set number. Much like in the real world, the nicer an NFT property is, the more yields it can generate. And don't worry, all the upgrades and renovating materials will be special resources gathered within Landshare's ecosystem. Let's move on to that now. Resources and production facilities. At its core, the Landshare NFT ecosystem is about resource management, juggling limited resources between repairs, production, and renovations. The ultimate goal is to increase land yields with upgrades, but in order to get those upgrades, you will first need resources: lumber, brick, concrete, steel, and power. Each resource is produced from its own facility: the lumber mill, the brick factory, the concrete plant, and the steel mill. We will go into detail about each of these resources and their facilities in another video. For now, I just want you to understand that you won't be able to use any of your resources if you don't have enough power. Power is the primary resource in our NFT ecosystem. Every action, including harvesting rewards, repairing your property, building upgrades, and harvesting resources, costs power. If you run out of it, don't worry. Power regenerates passively over time, and the amount generated per day can be increased by upgrading your wind farm production facility. In this example, the NFT staker is attempting to harvest land tokens and lumber from the lumber mill. These actions cost a total of 100 power. Part of efficiently upgrading and managing your NFT property is spending your power supply appropriately. Power will be a very valuable resource, and you may find yourself running out frequently. In this case, you can either wait for it to regenerate or purchase more with land tokens, allowing you to perform more tasks throughout the day. This whole ecosystem adds not only another use case for asset tokens and land, but also a fun and entertaining play-to-earn feature for our community: durability and repairs. As you generate yields with your NFTs over time, it will lose durability. Durability applies a negative multiplier to your yield. So for example, if you have an NFT with 50% durability, it will get you your land rate halved, while 25% will quarter it. And yes, you guessed it. If an NFT ever reaches 0% durability, it will stop producing yields. But relax, it's not the end of the world. In order to bring your durability back up, you will need to repair your property, which costs building resources, lumber, brick, concrete, and steel, as well as power. The types of resources you need to use, as well as these quantities, depend on your upgrades. For example, a property with brick-based upgrades will need bricks to repair, while a property without upgrades will only require lumber. The more upgrades, the higher your repair costs. You will need to upgrade your production facilities to keep up with increasing repairs. Fortification. In order to fight against durability loss, you can fortify your house using resources such as bricks, concrete, and steel, applying a positive multiplier to your land yield when fully repaired. For example, when applying the brick fortification, maximum durability might max out at 105% instead of 100. That means when fully repaired, your house's yields will be multiplied by 1.05. Then a further fortification with concrete might increase your maximum to 115%, which would multiply your yield by 1.15. In essence, your durability is a dynamic yield multiplier that can positively or negatively affect your return. Proper resource management and budgeting for repairs is vital for optimized performance. Rare NFTs. Each tokenized property on the Landshare platform will have its own NFT model. In addition to the baseline model, a rare version will be available to the top 10 investors for each property. The rare version of the NFT is a recolored version with the strict supply limit of 10. This rare NFT produces a higher baseline multiplier, meaning that as you compound upgrades, the rewards will increase. Marketplace. Real estate NFTs can be bought and sold on the marketplace. Users can list their NFTs for sale and set the desired purchase price in land. When NFTs are sold, they retain all upgrades and production facilities. However, they do not retain any resources accrued. Accrued land rewards also do not transfer. When you list your NFTs for sale or browse the market, you will be able to view which production facilities it has, its land multiplier, all upgrades, and a custom description from the seller. In this example, the house features a level 1 brick factory, a level 1 concrete plant, and a level 1 wind farm. Based on the upgrades added so far, it currently has a yield multiplier of 1.5x. Now here are a few key points you need to know about the marketplace. NFT purchases will only be done using land. The marketplace only features NFTs for sale from other users. Landshare will not sell NFTs through the marketplace. They are only distributed to asset token investors. Anyone can purchase NFTs from the market, upgrade them, and resell them or hold them. However, you will not be able to generate any land yields without holding asset tokens. Resources are also not sold on the market and are tied to your wallet address. You cannot transfer, buy, or sell resources except for power, which can also be purchased from the platform using land. In conclusion, Landshare Real Estate NFTs allow you to bolster your asset token returns with a play-to-earn NFT staking model, earn yields from a real asset and its virtual counterpart with a single investment. In addition, the whole system adds more use cases for land. I hope you are excited for this feature as we are excited to release it, and this video has been clear enough. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out through our channels or leave them down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Landshare. Becoming a landlord has never been this easy.